In this video, we'll show you how to set up and use iCloud photo sharing to easily share photos with family and friends. We'll also cover its benefits, how to fix common issues, and share tips for getting the most out of it. Part 1. What is iCloud photo sharing? iCloud photo sharing lets you easily share photos with friends and family. Once enabled, photos are automatically uploaded to iCloud, allowing others to view, comment, like, and even add their own photos to shared albums, keeping everyone connected. Part 2. How to use iCloud photo sharing. Step 1. Turn on iCloud photo sharing. Open Settings on your iOS device. Scroll down and select iCloud. Tap Photos. Turn on iCloud Photo Library and Shared Albums. Step 2. Family sharing. Create album. Go to Photos, Albums, Plus. Invite family. Add family sharing members. Collaborate. Family can view and add photos. Step 3. Share with others. Share. Tap Share and select a method. Non-family album. Invite anyone. Shared library. Add up to 5 people. Part 3. Benefits of iCloud photo sharing. Easy sharing. Share photos with family and friends at once. Automatic upload. Photos auto-upload to iCloud. Access anywhere. View photos on any device. Group sharing. Share with multiple people easily. 4.0 Mini. Part 4. Troubleshooting tips for iCloud photo sharing. Can't find album? Check iCloud and restart the app. Can't invite? Verify email or phone and restart. Can't download? Restart and check Wi-Fi. Can't upload? Check Wi-Fi and restart. Can't find photos? Enable iCloud. Check account. Restart. Bonus: a better way to share your photos on iPhone. For better stability, try Mobikin Assistant for iOS. It lets you share photos, videos, music, and more with one-click backup and restore for data security. Connect your iPhone, launch the software, and click Trust to allow device recognition. Once recognized, select Photos to preview your pictures. Choose Photos, click Export, and select a save location to start the transfer.